Much better. You can walk. You gotta walk where I can get good pictures. See the difference. Oh, look at you.
Hey, I didn't even make it 2 feet
Wow.
in the water. And they're flogging me.
Yeah. Wow.
I'm getting flogged so bad. Oh my God.
All right, let's see, Josh. Turn around. No pictures.
Guys, not the face, not the face.
Oh, precious.
God.
Look at Michaela. They're just giving you kissies all over.
Oh, snap,
Okay, are you getting scared? Oh, she biting your...
This one big one, hardcore. About
All right, walk around and maybe... Yeah, they're preening you is what they're doing. Don't put more on her.
That was licking my hand.
Okay, baby.
Oh.
You guys all come on.
There you go.
Hey,
I'm all out of nectar.
Hold your thing out forward, the juice out forward.
Ow, that hurt. Oh, don't nip me. Stop nipping.
they're flogging me.
They're just preening you.
No, dude, that one bites. Like bad. And I don't like that one. Yeah, like you can like get off me now.
All right, did you drop your thingy? Oh, you still got it? Did they drink it all? All right. Reach back there and get them off.
This one's gonna bite me. He's gonna bite me. I know he is.
No, he's
Oh,
flying.
thank God. He bit me like so many times.
Pick your cup up. Make sure you get it. Yep. They're preening your hair. All righty.
Okay. Thank